Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're highly welcomed, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Please, before we continue, please hit the subscribe button, the red button that says subscribe. Please click on it. Thank you so much. And in today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how you can make your application for your master's in the United Kingdom. I previously made a video on how to find affordable schools in the United Kingdom, so check that out. Select a school you want to apply to or schools you want to apply to and come back to this video so you can watch how you can make the application. Or check the comment section of this video and I will put a link of the video on how you can find affordable schools and courses you can apply to. Clicking on this university website, it opens up here, and now different university websites have different interfaces, so you have to figure out where you find the menu bar. If you look at the top right corner of the screen, you will see 3 lines, and this is the menu. You can also see the search icon. You can simply go ahead and search for the course, or you click on the assuming you are not sure of the course you want to study at this point, you can still click there on the menu. Look for where it says studies or admissions. Some schools use admissions, some schools use study. So this one has study here. I'll click on study, and here it says courses. Under courses, I will choose the postgraduate study. Now this is the website. You can either scroll through and look for the course. Here it says search all postgraduate courses, but since I am aware of the course I want to apply to, which is project management, I'll simply search for the course here. So here you see project management, MSc project management, and I'll click on that. See here it shows apply now. You can scroll down. If it doesn't show apply now on the first layout, you can scroll down and look around the website where it shows apply. And please, if you're an international student, if you're applying from any other country that is not UK, make sure you apply through the international application. Some schools make provisions for that. Here it says how to apply international EU applicant without pre-settled status in the UK. So apply through our international or EU application. Here you will click on this to apply as an international student. For this one, it says home and EU applicants. So if you click on this apply online here, you will be applying through the UK residence portal. But make sure you read very well and see that you apply through the international students portal. So here it says make an application. I'll simply click on that as well. So if you go through, you would see where it says click to start your application. Different universities have different formats of applying. I mean, the application forms might look different from this one, but they are going to ask you basically the same set of questions. And before you do this, there are some documents you need to get ready before you make this application. I will make another video on the documents you need before you can apply. By the time you're watching this video, that video will probably be up as well. You will likely be asked to upload those documents on this application website, or some schools can ask you to submit the application and then send an email with those documents. So here it says title. You simply select your title. I am Miss, your first name. This is just your personal information page. Give them information about yourself, and then you go to the next page. Here they are asking about your immigration details. What is your preferred entry? You select the closest date or when you want to start. So I've chosen September 2023. The course title.
Have you ever had a visa refusal for entry? Probably not. Do you have any pending visa application? Probably not. Have you had any other type of UK visa or leave to remain?
You go to the next page. Here you fill information about your academic qualification. So what is the name of your most recent school, college or university?
So you put University of XYZ.
Here, if you can provide information about the modules you have studied. Please note that the forms for every school are not the same, but for schools, some schools that might ask you to provide information on the modules you studied in your undergraduate. And please look for what they call modules is what we call courses. So if you're studying BSc in accounting, the courses you studied under when you were in university, your year 1 courses, year 2 courses. Those are what they call modules in the UK. Okay, so you can include 3 to 4 or 5 courses that you took that are closely related to what you are applying for. That would do the job. Here they're asking if you have any English language qualification. So if you've written the IELTS, you can add that, but they can also ask for WAEC and NICO. This school is asking for WAEC, so let's use WAEC. Assuming we didn't write IELTS, you can use WAEC. Your score in your IELTS or whatever English test you took. So let's say we got B2 in English. Here they're asking for your personal statement. I'm going to make a whole video on the personal statement, on how to write a personal statement. If this is what you've been interested in, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, turn on your post notification, and stay tuned for more videos like this. I'll be sharing a video on how to write a detailed personal statement that would just get you the admission you need once and for all. You want to make sure that you answer all the questions that they are asking you here. This school has provided a short guidance video on YouTube that you can watch. They've also given a sample here. As you can see, I didn't write this, the school wrote this sample. So they're asking what is the reason you are applying for the course. You give them your reason. I'll just put here so we can continue filling the form.
What is the reason for applying to the University of Hertfordshire? And what are your reasons for?
You go to the next page. So here, additional requirements. Here they're asking, are you ready to upload any documents relating to your application? If you have your documents ready, you can upload them. Select yes. If you do not have your documents ready, you can write no. This is what happens when you select yes. They will show you a list of the documents you have to upload. Once you click upload, it will take you to your file on your laptop or your phone where you can upload some documents. And if you select no, it gives you opportunity to go to the next page, and this is the final page. Here you just acknowledge that you have filled this form yourself and you agree to the terms and conditions. So here, yes, I agree to the terms and conditions, and then you hit submit. I'm not going to submit this because this is not a real application. Okay, this is how to make an application. It is very simple, but make sure you have the documents that are required standby. This will help you because if you do not have them standby, the school will likely give you a conditional offer. A conditional offer means that there are still some conditions you need to meet, which might be uploading some documents. So you need to make sure your documents are ready or are almost ready before you make this application. Okay, so if you want to know the documents that will be needed and how you can get them, please click on the next video or watch out for the next video for that information. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications, and like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section if this video has helped you so far, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.